To make a payment on Vrbo, start by logging into your account and navigating to the booking you wish to pay for. Once you have found the booking, click on the Payment Details section to review the total cost and any applicable fees. Next, select your payment method, which can include credit or debit cards, PayPal, or other options. If you have not already added a payment method, you will be prompted to do so at this time. To add a payment method, click on the Add Payment Method button and enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. After selecting your payment method, review the payment details to ensure everything is accurate. Check the amount, payment method, and any additional fees. If you need to make any changes, you can do so at this time. Once you have confirmed the payment details, click the Make Payment button to complete the transaction. You will receive a confirmation email from Vrbo once the payment has been processed. It is also important to note that Vrbo offers a secure payment system, which protects your payment information and ensures that it is not shared with the property owner until after you have checked in. This provides an additional layer of security and peace of mind when making a payment on the site. To set up payment on Vrbo, you can also use the website or mobile app to schedule payments in advance. This can be useful if you need to make a payment at a later date, such as when the final payment is due. To schedule a payment, navigate to the booking and click on the Payment Schedule section. From here, you can select the payment method and schedule the payment for a future date. By following these steps, you can easily make a payment on Vrbo and set up a payment schedule to ensure that your booking is paid for on time. Remember to always review the payment details carefully and contact Vrbo customer support if you have any questions or concerns.